Good morning.
Morning.
Welcome to Toyota, Miss Jones. I see you're here for your 15,000-mile Toyota Express maintenance service appointment.
Yeah, I sure am.
Great. Let me just get some information from you, and our skilled technicians will get started on that right away.
Okay, great.
Go ahead and make yourself comfortable. Our technicians just finished on your vehicle.
Taking your car to get serviced used to mean camping out and waiting for who knows how long. But Toyota Express Maintenance dedicates 2 skilled technicians to work simultaneously on your car, so it'll be done in about an hour. Schedule your appointment now at your local Toyota Express Maintenance Service Center.